To fit the reusable or disposable dust bags to the machine, follow these steps. Unclip the latches, remove lid and filter cage. Select either a reusable sealed SMS or disposable sealed paper dust bag. Push dust bag securely over the inlet on the machine. Put the filter cage and lid back and secure in place by locking the clips down. To replace or clean the motor filter, remove the motor filter cage by turning it anti-clockwise and pulling away from the machine. Remove the motor filter to clean or replace it. Once the motor filter has been replaced, put motor filter cage back and lock into place by twisting in a clockwise direction. For an extra level of filtration, replace motor filter with a HEPA-rated filter. To install, remove the motor filter and cage and replace with a HEPA-rated filter. Once the HEPA-rated filter has been replaced, lock into place by twisting it in an anti-clockwise direction. To fit the synthetic filter cover, pull the elastic filter cover over the plastic retainer and place it into the top of the canister. Clean the filter cover by brushing off the excess dust buildup with a dusting brush. Keep the filter cover on the plastic retainer for this.